Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make egg vegetable sandwich, only way. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk with salt and pepper, chop bell pepper, tomato, and spinach, then toast 2 slices of bread. Sauté vegetables briefly in a nonstick pan, pour in eggs and cook gently until set. Spread a thin layer of mayo or avocado, layer the egg and veggies, press together, slice, and serve warm. Start by heating a non-stick pan over medium heat and add a teaspoon of oil. Add diced peppers and onions, then sauté for 1 to 2 minutes until they are tender yet still vibrant. Add spinach and let it wilt briefly, then push veggies to the side and pour in whisked eggs. Cook gently, folding once to scramble slightly, and remove from heat when eggs are soft but fully cooked. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your drive smelling great and your sandwich commute pleasant. I've linked it and other deals in the description, so check there for details and discounts. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Once the eggs and vegetables are ready, toast your bread to the crispness you like and choose a spread such as mayo or mashed avocado. Layer a generous portion of the egg-vegetable mixture onto one slice, sprinkle with a pinch of salt and black pepper, and add a light squeeze of lemon if you want brightness. Top with the other slice, press gently, cut in half, and enjoy immediately while warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.